Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 2. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors
So this is the double room at the Doubletree by Hilton London Excel. We're right at the side of London City Airport, so if you're looking for a hotel near the airport, and there's quite a few hotels around here. So as soon as you come into the room, on your right hand side you've got a key card for operating the lights and also your room air conditioning. So it's quite a large size room. So you've got your double bed, nice comfortable chair, bedside tables, at the side of the bed you've got your plug sockets and also USBs, some storage. So you've got your tea and coffee making facilities. Let's have a look in the cupboard. What's in here? So I've arrived at the hotel quite late, so the lighting isn't the best. I've got all the lights on, but this is as bright as it gets. So in here you've got your iron board. Some more storage. And you've got your safe in there as well, should you want to make use of the hotel safe. So you've got a small, well, fairly decent sized desk with your TV above. Quite nice sized TV for the room. There we go, that's a bit better. Didn't see that light at first. And now you've got a telephone in the room as well for contacting reception or making any calls, which will be chargeable to your room. So let's go back to show you the tea and coffee making facilities. It's quite dark outside, as I say, since I've got here late. It's just down to the car park. It's a very nicely decorated room, very clean. Carpet is spotless. So let's have a look into the bathroom. So there's no bath in this room, it's just a very large walk-in shower. you've got the normal conditioner, shampoo and shower gel provided in the room. And you've got your sink and WC, very large mirror in the room, and it comes with plug sockets for using your shaver. So in the morning we shall go down to the restaurant and see what the breakfast is like. But as you can see, the room is really nice. Not a cramped room like you find in some hotels, and a good selection of pillows as well. So yeah, I think they're all just a normal soft pillow. There's no choice of hard or soft pillows. So hope you've enjoyed the look around the room, and as I say, in the morning we shall go down and have some breakfast. So this is the room view from the second floor. The morning after, I must say the bed was very comfortable. One thing I will say though is the walls are very thin. The rooms next door, you were able to hear the TV and talking till quite late in the morning. But I still managed to get some sleep, so that was the main thing. But compared to other hotels of this standard that I've stayed in, the rooms, the walls are much thinner than previously experienced. I've just had breakfast. the quality of some of the ingredients, yeah, it was okay. I've had better breakfasts as well. This is the view from the hotel, right next to the River Thames. So if you want to go for a stroll during the day along the river, you got this, and yeah, have a look at the London City Airport area. So this is just outside the hotel, as you can see in the distance there. Let's zoom in for you. You've got the O2 just in the distance, the Excel Centre, and to the left you've got London City Airport. So on a nice day you could sit and watch the planes take off and land. So this is the front of your hotel from the car park. As I say, London City Airport just over there. I could see some British Airways planes by the looks of it just in the distance. And there's your hotel entrance just immediately in the car park. The hotel car park is chargeable, and as you can see, there's the prices to pay. Tells you to register your vehicle with reception, and just by the entrance to the hotel is the machine to pay for your parking. It's not the biggest of car parks,